Hi, I'm Myer Messinger. I'm one of the attorneys here at Fellerman Ciarimboli, and I'm here to talk to you a little bit about dashcam footage. Dashcam footage is one of the most powerful pieces of evidence that we can have in a case because it provides clear and objective evidence of exactly what happened before, during, and after a crash. One of the nice things about dashcam footage is that it depicts the environment of the crash. Anything from the lighting to the signage to the traffic lights. And as you can see here in this video that we're talking about today, without this dashcam footage, you would really have no objective proof of exactly when the light turned red or the light turned green. Dashcam footage can help establish liability in a personal injury case. Using this video as an example, you can clearly see the car from the dashcam footage's point of view has a green light. That right there is indisputable evidence that the driver of that vehicle was not at fault. As personal injury attorneys, we encourage our clients to consider using dashcams. And if you've been injured with or without dashcam footage, I would encourage you to give our office a call so we can help protect your rights and get you the compensation you deserve.